Did you know that your shares can get doubled overnight? This is not magic. This is the concept of bonus issue. We will try to understand what exactly is bonus issue. What is a bonus issue? Well, when any company decides to give additional shares to its existing shareholders, that is what is bonus issue. If it is 1:1 bonus issue, then for every one share that you hold, you get one extra. So the total holding value remains the same. The ownership doubles in quantity. This is exactly what happens to the share price. Now, if the share price was 1000 rupees before the issue, after the issue has been made, the price would adjust to 500. If the original price, like the earlier price, was 1000 rupees, then the share price would come to 500 rupees. But you are getting one extra share on your shareholding. For one share, you get one extra. That is the concept of 1:1 bonus issue. You can imagine like a pizza, right? You can cut it into different slices, as many slices as you want, but the size of the pizza remains the same. The company's fundamentals, everything remains the same. It is just a way of adding liquidity and rewarding their shareholders. A lot of informed investors are already well aware of this concept. But for investors who are new in this world, for them this is a new concept. And what happens is, when you see a price drop, they get into a panic mode. Now, say for example, on 26th August this year, HDFC announced its 1:1 bonus issue. So there was a 51% drop in their share price. Right, so a lot of people could panic looking at the price drop, that, oh my god, I was owning so many shares. But if you go back into your account, Demat account, and you check it, then you will see that the price remains the same, because for one share that you were having, now you have two shares. So if you have 100 shares, now you have 200 shares of that bank. Right, so the price remains the same, nothing changes. It's just a way, but it's good for people who want to now invest, right? Because they see a drop in price and they could feel that, the stock is little cheaper and we could do some buying over here. So does that mean that every company which offers a bonus issue is a good buy because they're rewarding their investors? Well, I don't think so. I always believe that one should be vigilant. They should look at the fundamentals, because the fundamentals never change when the bonuses gets issued, right? The working principles of that company remains the same. So that's number one. Initially, there would be a drop in EPS because the number of shares have increased. So earnings per share, we'll see a drop over there, and the PE valuations may look higher, okay? But one should carefully investigate about a stock before really putting up their hard-earned money. You should always think, invest wisely, because that should be the core principle. A lot of factors before investing or before putting up your money or buying a stock. One thing is the fundamentals. You should look at the promoter background. You should look at how many times the promoters of the company has changed. You should also look at how the company has survived when the company was not doing well, or when the markets were not doing well. All these factors really help you build your portfolio. And along with that, what is government coming up with? What are the new trends they are talking about? All these things club together, then you make informed decisions. And that is my advice to all of you. But I really hope I was able to make this concept simpler for you.